please watch the video till the end if you would like to see how I make this delicious milk bread. It is so soft and I approve. And who's that sitting next to my bread, guys? Mrs. Egg and Mr. Bacon. Yeah, cheating on my diet. So without further ado, let's get into the video. I'm going to be warming a cup of silk milk. You can use the milk of your choice. So guys, I'm sifting here 3 cups of all-purpose flour. Before I start working with the butter, the milk, and the egg, because the milk needs to be warm to activate the yeast, and I don't, the milk might get cold really fast. So let me prepare the flour. So guys, for the 1 cup of milk, the milk is a bit warm, but it shouldn't be too hot. So by the time the yeast goes in, then it, by the time the yeast goes in, the milk should not be too hot. It won't kill the yeast. So yeah, I have there the cup of milk. It's a bit warm, so I have to work fast before it gets cold. And I'm gonna add a teaspoon of salt, 1 egg, and I'm gonna mix all this, guys. I should have, the right way is to break the egg over a separate container, but I'm taking the chance this time. And then I have 3 tablespoons of the granulated sugar, and the flour I'm using, guys, is all-purpose. I'm just gonna mix this quickly to get the sugar and the salt to dissolve. And I'm using the yeast here, the quick rise yeast. So guys, I like to test my milk. Okay, they have thermometers, but I'm just gonna stick my finger in. It's still warm, it's not cold, so I'm gonna quickly add because you're working with yeast, so you don't want the it to be too cold, the milk. And I put my finger in there to make sure it's not too I'm gonna add the flour, 3 cups of flour. Make sure it's not too hot. They have thermometers to test that. I'll get one at a later date. Test the temperature of your milk. So yeah, I'm adding the 3 cups of all-purpose flour, and then I'm going to add the yeast because the salt is already in. Two teaspoons of the yeast. I said I try to do it quickly, guys, so that the milk doesn't get like really cold. I'm gonna mix this in. Guys, I'm excited. Please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Okay, like the video, share with family, friends, and subscribe if you have not subscribed to the channel. Leave a comment down below also. I like hearing from you guys, okay? And I do appreciate you all watching my videos, and please watch videos to the end. So I'm just kneading this to form a dough. And then, guys, I'm gonna add, I'm trying to knead it in without having to use my hands. I'm gonna add a 1/4 cup of butter, which would be half of 1 stick. Okay guys. I think I'm gonna use my hands faster. And I like the way the dough feels warm and nice. It's not cold, right? Because you're working with yeast. And then my quarter cup of butter would be, this is a stick, so I'm gonna use half of this. Well, I use some from it, but a half of that would be a quarter cup of butter. I'm gonna work this in the pastry. And I'm gonna cover it with the cling wrap and put it in the refrigerator for 90 minutes, or you can put it in for overnight and then the next morning you can bake. But I'm not gonna go into the next morning. I'm gonna put it in the fridge for 90 minutes, the fridge, and then we'll get back. And the butter I used was unsalted butter, and it's all-purpose flour. And I did show you the yeast, guys, the Fleischmann's quick rise yeast. I'll be putting this in the fridge for an hour and a half. So guys, I'm in the dollar store and I'd like to know, why is it so cold outside? And it's summer. It's cold outside in summer. It's a dollar store, guys. In this dollar store, everything inside here is for $1.25. So guys, if it's summer outside, the second day of summer, why is it so chilly? Why am I feeling so chilly? Anyways, I'm gonna hurry back in after leaving the dollar store to go check on that pastry there that's in the fridge. Finish up the bread. Tomatoes are not looking bad, guys. I added some more dirt to it, and I can't wait to start to taste this tomato. Give it some more time. So guys, I'm back from the dollar store and I still have more time. I have like 5 more minutes before checking on the bread in the fridge, the pastry. And yeah, this is what I got at the dollar store. Everything at that dollar store is $1.25. It's called the Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree is different from dollar store. Dollar store sell things with that's $4, $3, $2, $1, but Dollar Tree, everything is $1.25. Anything you buy, whether it's bread, anything, pasta, makeup. And this is what I got. I got 3 items. This to, a pot holder, silicone, and the Good Vibes Only. I think it's really cute, so I had to get it. And I got this bottle. I like it. Because summer's coming, guys. Second day of summer, and it's so cool outside. Like, I can't believe it. This is just too much. So guys, an hour and a half later, lightly flour the board. Not a lot of flour, just a little bit. And then I took it out the fridge. This was in the fridge, okay? And then put it on the board, and I'm gonna divide this mixture. And just a little dust of flour here. I'll get what's inside of this out. As long as my pastry is not sticking, okay? So that is why you need to put a little bit of flour so it doesn't stick to the board. then you're gonna cut it. As I have my other pastry cutter. I don't know if this will work, but let me see. Or maybe I should use a knife. I think I should use the knife. Cut it in half. And flour the knife a bit. And then half again, the other way. And then this way. And then this way. So guys, let me see if I can cut it one more time. I was trying to get 12 pieces. Three, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah. This one I should cut again. Okay, and then you're gonna take your pieces up and fold them like you're making dumpling and roll them. Or you can roll it here. Put a dust of flour, just a little bit, and roll it into a ball. I'm gonna roll them up into a ball, and like I'm making dumpling. And I'm gonna roll them this way, and then roll them into a ball, as well as if you want to do it on the board. And that's what I'm doing with all of them. So guys, I'm gonna have them here covered for 10 more minutes, and then I'll get back. I lightly grease this, guys. I'm gonna bake them into this, and if you can put them in an 8 by 12 baking tray. So guys, after 10 minutes of giving these the pastry rest, 10 minutes, going to roll these in the shape of a log. Okay, so this one is really big, guys. Maybe I should divide it with that, but anyway, yeah. So you're gonna flatten it, with the back of your hand. Flatten it like that, like a, kind of a square shape. Put the back of your hand, the palm of your hand, the back, and then you're gonna roll it like a log. Okay, and that's what you're gonna do with all of them. So because I'm flattening this side, I'm just gonna like flip it, because the part that I'm flattening is smoother, and place it in the pan. I want them on both sides. So guys, your your dough should be equal, right? Equal size. I know these are not equal size, but the most important thing for me, because I'm making it but the first time, is they're soft and tastes like bread. Yeah. Make sure I'm rolling them tight. This one, I don't like the way this one looks. Guys, I don't know if it's because I'm using the silk milk, but you know, use whatever milk you want to use, maybe, which is why I'm getting this texture. And I'm using the plant-based butter, unsalted butter. I have an extra one, guys. So guys, now I'm gonna cover for half an hour. And use a cling wrap and cover it for 30 minutes. So 30 minutes or until they double in size. So guys, half an hour later, let me take a look at this. If it's doubled in size, then we're good. So it should double in size, okay? It's not looking bad. So let me give it like another 10 minutes, and I have the oven preheated now. I'm gonna make the egg wash in the meantime. The egg wash, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of milk ice. I'm gonna beat this up. So guys, I gave it an extra 10 minutes. It wasn't, you know, 30 minutes or until it's doubled in size. I'm gonna put the egg wash on it. And then I'm gonna pop it into the oven for 20 to 25 minutes at 350 degrees. And then after it's done bake, I'm gonna put some melted butter on it. The recipe says preferably salted butter, but I'm not gonna put salted. I'm gonna put my unsalted butter. Guys, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Now let me pop this in this oven preheating at 350. So guys, I placed it on the middle shelf, and within 20 to 25 minutes we'll take a look at it. So guys, half an hour. I still wanted to get some color. I think I'm gonna turn it off in 5 minutes. The heat on the camera, and put the egg wash on. So guys, the recipe says 20 to 25 minutes, but I gave this half an hour because I wanted it to be brown. I like when, you know, my bread has that brownish color. Yeah, melted butter, so it's preferably salted butter, but I'm putting what I have, which is the unsalted. I suppose it's for the flavor, why they say the salted butter is better. And guys, normally I would give my bread some more color, so I think with the butter on, I'm gonna pop it in the oven turned off. Cause yeah, pop it in the oven turned off. I'm frying an egg here with I'm making my tea, and I'm just waiting for the bread to cool a bit. Then I'm gonna turn it out on a rack to cool. Kind of like cake, right? As you wait a bit I have this small amount of bacon here that I'm getting rid of the excess fat. Guys, I don't have bacon regularly, okay, because you know this thing is so fatty and it doesn't do my body much good, so I eat it for pleasure. And I don't buy the bacon unless it's on sale, guys. I'm not going out of the way to buy no bacon. I buy it if it's on sale. And it has to be a good deal. I don't go out of the way to have bacon the way I used to when I was much younger. I don't do that. The older you get, guys. And then, you know, you read upon, and then not only that, you see how much fat is when you fry the bacon, how much fat comes from it. So guys, I don't like the scent of the pork. Scent it gives off, so I put some allspice to, you know, cut down the scent when I'm frying it. And I don't fry it with oil or butter. It's just that I was frying the egg and the little butter was left. Yeah, so I put some allspice to cut down the scent, and I just fry it to get rid of the excess fat. Let's see if I can turn this bread out. Maybe I should have put baking paper, guys, like when I'm baking cake. I should have put baking paper, but let's hope it's not hard to. Shouldn't be too hard to come out. But that's the beauty of using baking paper. Your bake comes out easily. Just gonna fry this, and then I'll turn the bread out. So guys, I really struggled to get the bread out. This thing is hot. So you know what, the next time, there it is, I'm gonna be using baking paper. But I guess I wanted to stick to the recipe, and yeah, it didn't stick much, that's it. But the next time, and you don't have to use a glassware to bake, you can, you know, use any pan you have. And then the next time, yeah, I'm gonna use a baking paper, and there it is. It's soft. I did not get them equal, but I'm gonna try this bread again. This no knead milk bread. It's not looking bad. I'm anxious to taste it. There it is, guys. It's so soft, and let me press on it. See how soft it is? Look. Yep. Now time to taste. Okay, guys, let me break this bread apart for you to see. Soft, and I approve. Look at it. Look at it. It's steaming hot. I'm gonna taste it, guys. So guys, I'm gonna make my tea and taste this for you to see. I fried a small amount of bacon, and I can't wait to get down into this. The moment of truth is coming up, guys. The taste test. Okay, guys, let me use the back end of the camera. So you get to the back end of the camera, shows it clearer. So okay, guys, see, the back end of the camera shows you clearer than front end. Look at it. Look at the texture. Look at it. I'm happy. I am pleased. Look at it. It's so hot, guys. The steam is gonna, but I like it. Now I'm gonna taste it, guys. Mmm. So soft. Mmm. Guys, this with butter or jam. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. So hot. Oh my god, guys, I'm excited. I'm truly excited. It's really good. Mmm. Guys, I haven't eaten all morning. And I'm glad I have like another hour before I leave go to work. I can take my time and enjoy my bread. It is so good. I'm telling you, man. It's the milk bread, no need bread. I would like for you to try it. It's truly good. Look at it. It is just soft. Mm, 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 mm. Guys, I'm in heaven. Mm. Me, I love bread. I should be making my own bread because I love bread so much. So guys, I'm just here making some Horlicks. I usually buy the white one, but I'm trying the brown one lately. I like it. It's not bad. I haven't eaten all day. I wasn't gonna eat. I was waiting for this bread to be made. Can't wait. Guys, I bought this either at Winners or Marshalls with my name on it. Faith. Well, part of my name. On Faith when it says Faith. Okay. So guys, I have dishes to wash before I leave, okay? So let me just hurry up and do this here. Get you to see. You can't see my eyes, but it's okay. Like guys, I'm telling you, this is the best breakfast. It feels good. You know, knowing you make your own bread. And I'm telling you, with some plantains on this thing here, but I'm gonna cheat on my diet and have bacon. This is like, it's not fried dumpling, but you know, it's soft. You know, it's bread. And yeah, softer than fried dumpling. And I'm gonna take some of this to work. Watch me now. Watch me. Guys, what's this on my forehead? Oh my god, I'm working so hard. Okay. Watch me bite this. Mmm. Did you see how my teeth sink in this guy? Guys, I can't believe it's summer in Canada and outside it's so chilly. I better make sure I have a jacket to wear or something warmer under my clothes later. It's good. Egg and bread with bacon. Okay guys, let's focus on bread. I see the bacon there. It's okay to have bacon, guys, if you know it's not healthy, but a little bit. You don't have to have a lot of bacon in your, you know, when eating, just a little bit. Right. I'm telling you, this with jam or even patty. This milk bread, you need to try it. I love it. So guys, give the video a thumbs up, okay? Give the video a thumbs up, like the video. By giving it a thumbs up, share the video with family, friends, and leave a comment down below. hit the subscribe button if you have not subscribed, and see you. My work was not in vain.